Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Alvarez from Bicycle Garage in Colombia, and today I want to show you this super nice tool from Pro Bike Gear. So this torque wrench is super cool, and it's got three presets, which is 4, 5, and 6 Newton meters. It's got beats. The beats that it has is Allen key 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters, Torx wrench, the T25, and flat screwdriver. So it's super portable. You just open here. You got all the beats inside, and you have the torque meter here, which you're gonna assemble on the handle, and that's it. And you get the other two inside of this box. So you have the 6 Newton meter and 4 Newton meter. So it's pretty easy if you're gonna go to a race, to have it at home, to carry on your bike, if you're gonna do a long travel ride or whatever you want. It's super portable. It fits in your hydration pack or whatever you want. So here it is from Pro Bike Gear.